Synthetic identity and account takeover attempts are some of the biggest challenges every credit union faces. Fraudsters use fake identities to open deposit accounts for laundering illicit funds, accessing funds in people's accounts, and obtaining credits, resulting in massive financial losses. To fight identity fraud, every credit union must have systems to spontaneously authenticate identities being presented at every transaction. We at Digital FI have developed the perfect solution to help all credit unions spontaneously authenticate members' identities and mitigate identity fraud. We provide modern voice biometric authentication services dedicated to stopping financial crimes before they occur. Identity FI provides both active, text-dependent, and passive, text-independent, voice authentication. This is how they work. For active voice authentication, the credit union members will be asked to enroll their voice by saying a specific phrase after obtaining consent. This creates a snapshot of their voice, which is then converted by a biometric algorithm. The exact phrase can then be used in the future to authenticate and match the existing biometric data. This active voice authentication is typically used in an IVR, but can also be asked by a call center agent. For passive voice authentication, a call center agent would ask the credit union member for consent to capture a snapshot of the member's voice. The agent would then conduct a conversation with the member. After 3 seconds of audio, the biometric algorithm will provide a result as to whether the member's authentication is successful or failed. After successful authentication, the biometric data generated will be used to authenticate future calls, reduce average call handling times, and increase member satisfaction with intelligent routing. Identity FI is functional across mobile, web, call center, and on-site channels. This makes it easy for credit unions to authenticate and onboard their members from anywhere their voices can be captured. Identity FI can also be integrated with your other proofing and authentication products. This helps members enjoy cross-channel authentication and a single central identity across their life cycles. Our scientists have developed advanced anti-spoofing technology to detect voice playback, synthetic speech, pre-scene audio, and distorted or continuous voice. That means fraudsters can't use fake voices to commit fraud against your members. So, would you like to improve your credit union security against identity fraud? Then, Digital FI is the perfect solution for you. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help.